Hello, welcome to our recorded class, and this is the pre-kinder level online class. For today's date is January 14, 2025. And let's go to our OG words. What are the following words that we have for the OG or OG words? We have the hog, frog, blog, smog. We also have Oops, sorry, let's go back. This is not smog, but fog. So you have the fog in the forest when it's cold. You cannot see around you. We have the log, the jog. This one is the smog. That's the dirty air that you do not breathe. We have the dog, the cog, and bog. So let's go to some of our OG words. Yesterday we had these ones as well in our recorded class. So the first one that we have here, it's the dog. D-O-G, dog. Do you have a pet dog? Another one, we have the word cog. C-O-G, cog. Inside the machine, there's a cog. It goes around, turns around. Next, we have the fog. Remember, the fog is the thick air that goes down and covers everything. It's hard to see. F-O-G, fog. Another one we have hog. The hog is the pig. H-O-G, hog. Next, this is jog. The girl will jog around. J-O-G, jog. A cut up wood like this one from the tree, that's a log. L-O-G, log. Next one, we have a kind of animal that croaks. It's the frog. F-R-O and letter G, frog. Next one, we have the blog. B-L-O-G, blog. I can write a blog in the internet. Blog. So sometimes you get to read something from a blog or watch something from a blog like a video. We have the smog. Remember, in the factories, in the big chimneys, the smoke that comes out that becomes smog. S-M-O-G, smog. Now, how about let's prepare our board? I want you to prepare your whiteboard marker and eraser. And if I am too fast on this video, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let us begin by writing some of our OG words here. So let's try to write the word log. L-O and the letter G, this is the word log. So when you have a log, that's the cut up tree. Make it into a smaller piece of wood, log. Another one, C, O, and the letter G, that's the cog. Inside the machine, there's a cog spinning around. Another one, F, O, and the letter G, we have our fog. The thick air that goes down, that's the fog. Okay, another one, we have B, O, and the letter G, that's the dog. The dog barks a lot, dog. Let's try to do jog. J, O, and the letter G, jog. So when you jog, you have exercise. And let's try to do hog. H, O, and the letter G, this is hog. A hog is a pig. Another word, what about for an animal that's green? F, R, O, and the letter G, it's the frog. Let's go do blog. B, L, O, and letter G, blog. I write something for my blog. And how about let's do smog. S, M, O, and the letter G, smog. The smog is the dirty air that comes out from the chimney or from a car, the one that's black, that is smog. Let's erase this one. And I think we're done already practicing writing for our OG or OG words. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. How about let's jump to the next part, and that is to circle the pictures that have the og sound, and we have to check it on the side here. So let's find for our og words first in the box. So let's see. We have our frog. This one is a frog. Frog. We also have jog, and we also have the dog. I think I am done. Did we finish all our pictures? We circled all of the og sound words? Not yet. There's some more. We have the smog here. This one is the fog. Next, what about log? This is log. And then another word for pig is hog. What else? We have the cog. And the last one is the blog. So here are all the OG words. We found them all. So let's read. We have the frog, smog, blog, jog, cog, fog, hog, log, dog. So now that we found all of our OG words, the og sound, we can now move to the next part of our class, which is work time. So are you ready? I'm going to clear this one on the screen. But if you are not yet done finding and reading for your OG words, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase the writings. And let's jump to the work for today. The work is for page 99 in your book, and let's write the matching words in the letter box. So we get to write our word. The first one is the word fog. Where is fog? F-O-G, fog. So let's write F-O and the letter G, that is fog. Another one, the girl will do a jog, a round jog. It's for her to stay fit, J O, and the letter G, that is jog. This part of the machine is called a cog. So in a watch or in a clock, you can find a cog also spinning. So let's mark for that one, C, O, and the letter G, we have the cog. Next one is the word dog, D-O-G. This one is dog. Let's write D, O, and the letter G, dog. Next one is our bog. The bog is like a swamp. It's muddy. It's hard to move around in a bog. There's lots of mud. So we have the bog, B-O-G. Let's write for bog, B-O, and the letter G. Next one, a piece of tree cut up. To make it small, it's the log. Okay, let's mark for log. And you write log, L, O, and letter G, log. Next, a kind of animal here. Another word for the pig, it's the hog. H-O-G, H-O, and the letter G, hog. And the last one, it's the frog. So let's write F, R, O, and the letter G, we have our frog. So again, what are the og words that we have? We have fog, jog, cog, dog, bog, log, hog, and frog. Let's erase the writings on the screen because we're going to move to the next. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. How about let's go do page 90. Done with 99, we'll move to 100. And always write your name at the top so that we will know it is your work. Let's start first with dabbing. Our pictures that has the og sound or that has ONG. Excuse me. How about let's dab for them or color them on the screen? So what do we color? We have our hog. We have the jog. This is fog. Another one is log. We have the cog. And the last one, it's the dog. So only 6 words to color and pictures to write. So the first one, hog, H-O. And the letter G, that is hog. Another one, we have J for the jog, J-O. And the letter G, jog. And the next one, we have the fog, F-O. And the letter G, it's the fog. Another one, it's the log, L-O. And letter G, log. Another one, we have our cog, C-O. And the letter G, cog. And the last one, we have dog, D-O. And the letter G, dog. So these are all the og words: hog, jog, fog, log, cog, and dog. All of our og words. Now, if you're not yet done with this work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But I have to move to the next page. We're done with this one, okay? Let's jump to dabbing all of our og words. This time, instead of the pictures, we have our words. So here we have, I found the word fog. Is it for this one or for this one? It's the last one. We have our hog here. Next one, it's the log, dog, bog, and here at the top, final word, jog. Let's write for our og words at the bottom. We have to record them. So for the first one, I have fog, F-O, and the letter G, fog. Next is hog, H-O, and the letter G, hog. Next, we have the log, L-O, and G, log. Number 4 is the dog, D-O, and letter G, dog. Number 5 is the jog, J-O. Oops. Let me fix this one. J-O, and the letter G, that's jog. And then for the last one, we have our bog, B-O, and the letter G, bog. So here we have the following og words: fog, hog, log, dog, jog, bog. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one. And we will jump to the next part. And that is to sort our pictures if it goes in the og house or not og. So here we have our cutouts. You need to find your cutouts in page 102. You need to cut them and paste it here for this page. Oops, sorry, this is not 102 but 112 for the cutouts. Let me fix this one so that I can see. for our pages if it's the right one, okay? I think this one is a different page. Teacher forgot to fix it and see where you need to cut. So, okay, this one is the final page. You will have to cut your pictures from page 112. So this one is the right page. I'm so sorry. Okay, here, let's go back. We have to paste for the pictures that go in Og house and not Og house, okay? Og family and not Og word family. Fog goes where? Fog is an Og word, but the cab is not an Og word. Hog is an Og word, but the jug is not an Og word. Dog is an Og word, but the bib is not an Og word. Log is one of our Og words, but the bed stays here in the not Og word family. So let's go back and see our pictures. Let's check. Og word family, we have fog, hog, dog, log. The not Og word family, cab, bib, jug, and bed. So those are the pictures that you need to look after for. Now, if you're not yet done with this work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll move to the next one, and that is for our word family sort. Let us read for our pictures, and we get to paste them, match them in their right picture. So how about I check this one for you? We have fog, bib, hog, jug, cab, bed, log, dog. So those are the words that you need to paste for. And you have to read. Always remember to write your name at the top of your work there so that we will know it is your work. The first word that we have is fog. So let's put fog over here. This is fog. Next one, eh, b, bib. A bib is what the babies use so that their clothes won't get messy. Og, hog, hog. A pig is a hog. Next one, g, jug. The water jug is empty. You put water in the jug. Okay, next one, ab, cab. I want to ride a cab. Okay, next, ed, bed. I want to sleep in a bed. Okay, next, log, log. The cut up wood, that's the log. And the last one, og, dog. I hear the dog bark. So what are the words again that we tried to match? We have dog, fog, log, hog, cab, jug, bib, bed. Those are the words that we have learned for today's class. But let's continue. Let's power through. And we have to do the word family scramble. So this one, you have to color the picture, unscramble the word, and write the right one in the box. Let's color first our pictures. We have to say them loud. So we have log, L-O-G, log. Another one, we have the dog. Color for your dog. Next, jog. I see a woman jog in the neighborhood. Okay, next, this one is the fog, a thick air that covers the roads when you pass by. That is the fog. And the last one, your word is hog. The picture shows a hog. Now, for spelling our words, we have log, L, O, letter G, that's the log. Another one, Og. Dog. D-O-G. D-O. And the letter G. Dog. Next one, this is jog. J-O. And the letter G. Next one, you have the fog. F. We also have the letter O and the letter G. And the last one, we have our hog. H, O, and letter G. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's erase the writings on the screen. Let's erase this one, please. For this one, we have our word search. We're done already unscrambling for our OG words. This time, write your name at the top. And if you are done, let's work on our OG words. So let's find them in the word search. I have the cog. This is the dog. We have also fog. And this is the word jog. We still have a few more to go. I think there's two more that we need to make a word search first. It's quite hard. Let's see. We are looking for the log already. L-O-G, log. What else? What about our done with cog, done with the fog, done with jog, done with what's this? I think there is already the word. Jog is there. What about for hog? Okay, I found hog already. H-O-G, hog. There is log. And the last one is the dog. So let's fill in the missing word in our sentence. I like to go for a jog. J-O-G. Next one. I can see in the fog. We have F8, F-O-G. F-O-N-G, fog. I have a pet dog. D, O, and letter G. Next one. Oops, that's not letter B. It's supposed to be G. Go around, go up and down. Let's sit on a log. L, O, and the letter G. So here we have all our words. We tried to also circle them in our word search. And that ends for our recorded class for today. Let me erase this one on our screen. Good job if you finished the work for today. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. And how about I will say bye-bye to you. See you again next time. Bye-bye.